Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to learn how to install fonts on our computer. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay, so one of the questions that I get asked a lot is how do you search for fonts and how do you install your fonts on your computer? So it's very easy, real super easy. So one of the ways that we install our fonts or get our fonts, search for our fonts, is through a company called .font, DAFONTS. No, .font without an S. So we go to .font and then that's we search for our fonts there. So let me go to let me connect online and let's go to, let me make my face a little smaller. Okay, so once we're in the website .font, we can search for our font, like for example whichever font that you're looking for. For example, I'm gonna go to script, and one of the most popular things or shirts that we make, it's gonna be birthday shirts. So we're gonna type the word in birth. Am I typing in there? Yeah, birthday, and then we're gonna click see the next box. You're gonna see a number, and it's always by default is 20. So this is how many fonts you can see on one page. So I'm gonna click 100 medium. I'm gonna leave it a medium size. If you want to see it, want to see the letters a little bigger, then you click it and you go to either large or smaller or tiny. I'm gonna leave it a medium, and then popularity, I'm just gonna leave it like that and then submit. So what that's gonna do is gonna bring back all the fonts and the one word that you typed in there. So if you're looking for a specific font, it's easier or better if you actually type the word that you're looking for in that specific font. So then you scroll down and look for the font that looks either closest to the one that you're looking for, or if you can find the one that you're looking for. For example, I'm gonna go with this one that says cream cake, and here's a download. Let me move my face. No, my face is not in the way, is it? Let me double check. No, we're not. Okay, so click download, and then you see it over here on the left lower corner is downloading. So what we want to do is you click on the link, and then we're gonna click open. Don't unzip. So just click open, and then the file is gonna open. Once the file is gonna open, then you'll see the actual file for that font. In this case, you'll see it right here on the name. It says cream cake, and you also want to double click it or right click and open. So in this case, I'm gonna double click, and that's gonna bring me up to the actual file where the font is installed. And then if you look at the right upper hand corner, you'll see two buttons, one that says print and another one says install. So you just click install, and then you'll see this box, and it's gonna go through it, and it's already installed. As easy as that. So if you notice right here at the bottom, my software LXI is flashing because the amount of fonts have been changed, and you can see the list of available fonts has changed. Do you want to reload the fonts? In this case, I'm gonna say yes, and there's our name, right? And this one I just typed it in there. So if you're working with something like this, right, that says birthday, so then you type the word birthday and then go to your fonts. I'm using LXI. You might be using Corel or Illustrator, whichever way that you find those fonts, then change the font. In this case, we were working with cream cake, and it's right there. There it is, and it's gonna change to the actual font that you downloaded. So it's as easy as that. It's very, very easy. Again, going back when you download it, you don't want to unzip the folder because the folder contains many other different things in that folder, and you don't want to be uploading too much or downloading too much stuff in your computer, making it slower. So don't unzip those files, leave them the way they are. Just open it, open the file where the font is, and then install the font directly from the zip folder. Another thing that I want to emphasize on, one, I am not getting paid by any of this companies for example, the font, I am not getting paid by them. They don't even know I'm doing this. And two, and this is the most important thing, the font has fonts that are available, but they are not meant to be used commercially. This is for personal use only. Okay, so don't go out there and start downloading a bunch of fonts and then using it for commercial use, so you can get in trouble. So remember, this is for just for personal use only. So if you need to buy them, you can also click on the actual font, and then there'll be a link. It'll say it right there. If you notice, let me zoom in so you guys can see it. If you see, where am I at? Right there, commercial license. So you want to buy this font for commercial license, then you click this link right there. And sometimes I buy a lot of these fonts because one, you know, I'm gonna be using it a lot, and two, I don't want to get in trouble. So here's how you buy the font, the specific font that you want to use, and right there is the price, 15 bucks. So again, the font has this font for personal use only. So that's how you buy the actual font, that's how you download it, and that's how you install it on your personal computer. So I hope this was a quick and easy video. And then just close this right here and you're done, and it's easy. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Like you see, it's very, very easy. Again, you know, go to the font, download the font that you want. Make sure you buy, if you're gonna use it for commercial use, make sure you buy that font. Don't get in trouble. Not that you're gonna get in trouble, right? But make sure you buy the font that you're looking for. Download it, don't unzip it, just leave the folder zipped. Just picture you getting a letter, right? And if you were to open that the envelope, there's gonna be many letters or many pieces of paper in there. If you open it, then now you got a stack of papers. That's how bad the computer is. You leave it inside the envelope, your computer won't be as cluttered, so it'll run faster. So again, thank you, guys. This was a pleasure making this video for you. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped you. And just as simple as that, you can do that with any software, with any font that you download, and not only the font, any website that you download fonts from. Just be careful on some of the websites that you go to, because some of those websites, you can actually download a virus. There's another reason why you don't want to unzip anything. So hope it was helpful, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. It's a pleasure, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out. Thank you, and I'll see you later.